In the heart of Smyrna, Georgia, tucked inside West Village, you'll find more than just a plant shop. You'll find a potlantin located at 4500 West Village Place. A potlantin is a community hub hosting an in-person book club, as well as events and collaborations. Our space transforms into a gathering place, hosting book signings, baby showers, reunions, corporate meetings, film and photography sessions, plant theme workshops, and beyond. If you can dream it, chances are it belongs here. Step inside and you'll discover a space where every houseplant is sourced with care and consideration to be enjoyed by new and seasoned plant lovers alike. But we don't stop there. From in-home and commercial repotting to plant interior styling, we help you create living spaces that truly thrive. Because here, plants meet people, and every visit is an experience.